Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. You may not think of the desert as having very much in the way of fall color, but there are several plants that grow here that have very beautiful flowers. Many of the succulent varieties start changing colors with the cooling weather.
Plants such as autumn sage produce flowers of red, pink, and lavender colors, as do the many penstemon varieties.
The desert ruellia and varieties of the Texas sage produce beautiful purple to lavender colored flowers.
Desert cassia and the native turpentine bush have yellow flowers. And also, the native desert willow has a beautiful orchid flower.
The globe mallow has an orange flower, and the Baja fairy duster flowers red this time of year. There are also many other new plants that have been brought into our landscapes that have beautiful fall color. Some of the tree varieties that show good fall color are the Raywood ash, which turn a burgundy color in the fall, and the Chinese pistache that turn yellow and orange. The red push pistache turns even darker to a purplish red color. Eastern redbud and honey locust turn a bright yellow in the fall. Crepe myrtles come in many flowering colors, but their leaves turn a beautiful yellow and orange color this time of year.
Some of the many shrubs and vines that we use here are also very attractive in the fall. Heavenly bamboo or nandina varieties turn shades of yellow, orange, and red with the cooler weather. Pyracantha berries are turning orange and red, looking like ornaments against their dark green foliage during the fall and winter holidays. And deciduous vines, such as Boston ivy, are turning reds and purples in the fall.
So with these few examples, along with the many fall seasonal colored plants such as garden mums, ornamental kale, pansies, and primrose, you can see a lot of the fall color in our desert communities.
For more examples of cool season flowers, get a copy of our Star Note 305 at starnursery.com or on our free mobile app.
Don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.